The best use of AI is when it is integrated within your workspace. And that is what Google Workspace brings to you along with Gemini. Many months back, Google had integrated Gemini within Google Workspace and made it available for all its customers. The Google Workspace ecosystem now has Gemini integrated with it. Starting from the smallest of small plans of business starter up till the end of enterprise plus, all plans now come with Gemini. The power of Gemini might vary with the plan that you select, but the essence of Gemini is available across all the plans of Google Workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini integrated within your Google Workspace to make your life easy and simple. I'm going to show you an example for a real estate agent who is selling apartments in Dubai. So I have a sheet over here with properties listed, wherein I have properties available across Dubai. I'm going to select a property which is in Jumeirah Village Circle. If you notice that we have 3 properties in Jumeirah Village Circle. We have row number 2, 3, and I think row number 11, as well as properties in Jumeirah Village Circle. So these are 3 properties available in JVC. And out of those 3 properties, row number 2 is available, row number 3 is booked, and row number 11 is available. So there are 2 available properties and 1 booked property. I have around 15 lines of properties listed, but in a real life scenario, an agent would have hundreds of lines of properties. And as you noticed, I took a couple of seconds to identify which is an available property and which is a booked property. When the rows increase to hundreds of rows, this problem becomes practical, and this problem is going to take out a lot of time from your agents. Yes, you might say that I will filter it out, I will use lookup features, I will use find features and identify which is available, which is not, but then that is not increasing your productivity. You're just using traditional methods to speed up your work. If you have AI integrated within Google Workspace, why do you have to do that anymore? So that's the power of AI integrated with Google Workspace through Gemini. Let's see how a modern real estate agent would work. So the modern real estate agent would have to simply come into the Gmail Compose window, open a Compose box over here, and then go into Gemini, the side panel of Gemini, which comes up on the right side, a beautiful feature built into Gmail. And I'm going to say that I have a customer. I need to send him an email with the available properties within Jumeirah Village Circle, and I want you to refer the properties sheet that I have in my Google Drive. So let's make a prompt and ask Gemini to do this for us. Draft an email available property listings within Jumeirah Village Circle. Refer my property sheet, and I will say @ properties, the name of this particular file, the file which has come up. I'll just click on it, and I will also add more details. Remember, prompt engineering is as good as the instructions that you give it. The customer is Mr. Frank, or let's see if I have more information available. So I have information like bedrooms and toilets and square feet. So he's looking for a larger unit, and let's say enter. Let's see what Gemini is going to do over here. It's going to go through my document that is there, get information, feed it into the email, and give me the output. So that's how easy and interesting things get done for you with Gemini. So it says, "Dear Mr. Frank," I had given it the name. "I hope this email finds you well." Again, I'm not able to zoom it properly. So let's put it into the Compose window, and then let me read the email for you. So let's say insert. It's going to push the email into the Compose window. Let me expand the email for you, and let's read it out together. So, "Dear Mr. Frank," I had given it the name. "I hope this email finds you well. Well-written professional email following up on our conversation about the properties in Jumeirah Village Circle. I've compiled a list of available larger units," because this guy wanted a larger unit that I believe might be of interest to you. So it has 2 properties listed. And as you know, there were 2 available out of the 3. 1 was booked and 2 were available. So let's see if it has got it right. So it has selected DXB 10021 and DXB 10048. Let's go back and check in the document. 10021 is available, and the other one is 10048, this one, which is also available. It did not give me the option of JVC apartment, which is in 10024, which is booked. because the customer wanted an available property to select from. It's smart. It makes your life easy. It makes your life smooth. You don't have to work hard. You have to work smart now with AI. And it just says, I understand you're looking for a large unit. Both of these properties offer more space than typical apartments. Your usual sales pitch added into the email. Please let me know if you would like more details on any of these listings. A beautiful email created. I just have to put in the email address of the person, the subject, and just shoot out the email. And I would have sent an email to that particular customer. As a real estate agent, I would be now able to handle multiple people, multiple customers throughout without the load of going and referencing my database every single time. That's how easy and efficient life can get with AI, especially with Gemini with Google Workspace. If you need more information about Gemini and Google Workspace, feel free to reach out and we would be happy to assist you. Let me know in the comments if this feature is of use. Thank you and see you in the next one.